Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. This is Saiful assistant teacher of English, Maskola Secondary School, Satkhira Shodor, Satkhira. Today, I am again before you to take a class of class 9 English first paper. And I know you are safe and sound at home, and whenever you are going outside, you are putting on mask. So, my dear students, I hope that you are ready with your pen and notepad or note copy, so that you can write, and I think you can benefit from my class. So now I'm going to show you a picture, and all you need to do is to guess, okay? So here's the picture. Can you see it? Huh? And can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess what is the picture about? Can you relate this picture? Can you relate this picture with any historical event? Yes. Yes. We can see from the picture that what type of people are they? They are the worker. Okay. So they have become united. Okay. What do they want? Can you guess? Yes. This is an international day. Yes, this is a May Day. Okay. My dear students. So today's topic is May Day. Okay. So today's topic is May Day. Let me share some brief story of May Day with you. Okay? Okay. Let me share some brief story of this. Okay. So May Day is an International Workers' Day, and when there was a killing, and it happened in Chicago, in USA. Okay, and during 18th or 19th century, people have to work more 14 hours or more than 14 hours. So on May 1886, workers of McCormick Harvester Company, machine company, they brought about a protest rally, and on that rally, so some leaders were talking about their rights, and they wanted to work only for 8 hours and proper wages. Okay. But they were not getting that. So because of that, they brought a rally, and later on, some workers got out of the rally, and then some policemen attacked on them. Some 200 policemen attacked on them, and there were 6,000 workers. Okay, so And then when the police attacked them, one was instantly killed and 5 or 6 people were seriously wounded. And they brought about a rally to establish 8-hour working 8 hours a day and better wages. So this is the brief history and history of the May Day. So let's move to the word meaning part. Let me show you something. I think you have understood the story. Let me show you something. And all you need to do is to match the word with their meanings. Okay. So here is the table. I'm hanging it on the wall so that you can watch it, so that you can see it well. Okay. So, my dear students, when you will read the text of May Day, you will get some necessary or unfamiliar words, I guess. So let's match the word with their meaning. Okay. So you can see there is a table and it has a column A and column B. So all you need to do is to match the words with their meaning. Okay. So it is not done. You have to match it because it is not corrected. So the first word is observe. The second word is commemorate. Then number 3, struggle. Number 4, revolution. Number 5, addressed. Number 6, art. Number 7, clouds. So all the 6-7 words has their meaning here. All you need to do is to match. Okay, you have to match. So think about it, and I think you can match it easily because the word is not tough enough, and if you just read it, you can match it. I'm reading for you. Number B, column B, a heavy stick, talked or delivered a speech, requested, to recall or remember, celebrate, great effort, a vast change in a situation. A vast change in a situation. So can you match it? Yes. I draw your attention, and I think you can match it. So please do it. So we can match in this way. So number 1 plus which one? Number 1 goes with. So observe means, yes, you are right. Very nice. Observe means celebrate. So we can write it here. So 1 with V. Number 2, in this way we can write 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have written it so that you can write it easily. Okay, number 2, commemorate. So what is the meaning of commemorate? And this is a verb, certainly. So what is the meaning of commemorate? Commemorate means, can you find? Yes, commemorate means to recall or to remember. Okay, or to remember. Very nice. So number 2 goes with number 4. Okay. Yes. Now number 3. What is the meaning of struggle? This is a noun. Also, it is a verb. So number 3 goes with which one? Struggle is a great effort. Okay. Struggle. So it goes with 6. Now number 4, revolution. Revolution. What do you mean by revolution? It's a noun. So the revolution word goes with number 7, a vast change in a situation. Okay. Number 7. Okay, very nice. Number 5, address. I think you can do it. Yes, address means is to talk or deliver a speech. Okay, talk or deliver a speech is called address here. So number 2 and number 6. Number 6, ours mean to request. Okay, ours means request. So it goes with number 3. Number 7, clubs. Clubs goes with, so the last one is left. So clubs means a heavy stick. So it goes with number 1. So here are the meaning of those 7 words. I think you can easily remember it, and it will be useful for you too when you are reading the text silently. Okay. So let's move to the next part of our lesson. So can you make sentence with those 7 words? Can you make sentences with the 7 words or 5 words? You can choose any 5 words. I will write 7 words, and you can choose 5 words from here. No problem. So let me write the words on the board so that we can write easily. Thank you for your attention. Let's move to the second part. Okay. Okay. First word, observe. Observe. This is a verb. Number 2, the word number 2 is commemorate. It would be double M, MMO. Commemorate. It's also a verb. Number 3 is struggle. It's a noun and verb. Both of them we can use it as both of them. Okay. Next word is revolution. This is a noun. Number 5. Number 5 is the word address. Address. is a verb. Okay. Number six is urged. Urged is a verb. Number seven is clubs. It's a noun. Okay. So let's make sentence with them. So I think you can do it of your own because those words are very easy and sentence making is not difficult at all. Let's make sentence with them. Okay. So we can use observe. The world observes are the day every year. Every year. Okay. So the world observes the day every year. I'm talking about May Day. Let's move to the word number 2. So commemorate, can you remember what is the meaning of commemorate? Yes, commemorate means to remember something. Okay. Or recall, you can use it as a recall. Every year we commemorate our freedom fighters. Okay. So in this way we can write it. So I think we should I should wipe the number 2 so that we can write it easily, and I'm sure, I hope that you are writing it. Okay. I think you should write it, then you can find benefit out of it. Okay. So I'm wiping it up. Number 2. Okay. So number 3. He had to struggle for it. Okay. Revolution. Do you know about industrial revolution? Industrial revolution. Okay. Let's move to the word number 5. Addressed. Okay. The leaders addressed the meeting. Okay. Art. He. Let's write she. She urged me to do it. She urged me to do it. So she requested me to do it. So let's move to the number 7. The police use clubs. So these are the 7 words with their sentences. So I think you can make sentences with them. It will be very beneficial to you if you can make sentences of your own. So I'm wiping up the board. I think you have written it in your copy. So let's move to the next part of our session. I'm wiping up the board, okay? So I request you, I want you to read the text in page number 22 and answer the following question. Okay, so let's write this question on the board. Okay, so I am wiping the topic. I'll write a bit smaller so that we can write May Day. Okay. Question number 1. I should start from here because if I don't write it here, I will not get proper space for that. So what does when I'm writing the question, you should also write and you should read the text. I'll give you some minutes to write it. What does May Day refer to? What does May Day refer to? Okay. So question number 2. So answer the short question. The question. Okay. Number 2. How long did the workers have to work before May 1st? Before May 1st strike. Strike. Okay. Number 3. Why did the workers in Chicago go on a strike? Why did the workers in Chicago go on a strike? Number 4. When did the Industrial Revolution take place? When did the Industrial Revolution take place? Number 5. What happened when the police attacked the workers? Okay. So here are the 4 or 5 questions, short question you have to answer. In the exam also, there will be 5 questions out of the text. So you have to answer, and you have 10 marks here. Okay. So I'm reading the questions again for you so that you can understand. What does May Day refer to? Question number 2. How long did the workers have to work before May 1st strike? Okay. Why did the workers, it would be workers. Why did the workers in Chicago go on a strike? Number 4. When did the Industrial Revolution take place? What happened when the police attacked the workers? So, if you go through the text well, and I think you can answer it very easily. Okay. Let's move to the answer of it. I think you have read the text in the meantime. Okay, let's move to the answer. Okay. So, what does May Day refer to? Okay. Number 1, answer. Number 1, okay. So, I will start from here. So, May Day refers to International Workers' Day. Okay. So, and look at the question carefully. It is written in present indefinite tense, so your answer will be in present indefinite tense. You must remember that if whenever a question is in present tense, the answer will be in present tense. If it is in past tense, your answer will be in past tense. So you must remember when you are writing the answer. Okay. So what does May Day refer to? May Day refers to International Workers' Day. Okay. I'm wiping up the board so that you can understand, so that you can write. So let's move to the question number 2. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. So how long did the workers have to work before May first strike? So if you go through the text, so it is very easy, I think. So yes, let's write it. So which tense is it? You see, when we have did in a sentence, it is a past simple tense. So we have to use past simple tense when we are answering the question. Okay. So how long did the workers have to work before May first strike? The workers had to work for 14 or more hours before May 1 strike. So I used past tense. You see, it was have, did, and I used had. Okay. So the workers had to work for 14 or more hours before May 1st strike. Thank you. Let's move to the question number 3. I'm wiping up the board for your help. Okay. Number 3. Why did the workers in Chicago go on a strike? Okay. The workers went on a strike to establish 8 hours work in a day and to get proper salary or proper wages. Okay. So they want to establish 8 hours work in a day. So the sentence is in past simple tense. Why did I just for while I told you that if there's did in a sentence, we have to use past simple tense. So go became went. Okay, the workers went on a strike to establish. Or you can write workers in Chicago. In Chicago, okay, went on a strike to establish 8 hours of work in a day and get proper salary or wages. Okay. So let's move to the question number 4. Okay. Number 4. So what is the question? When did the Industrial Revolution take place? Yes, the Industrial Revolution revolution took place in 1886. Okay. Not 1886. Took place during 18th and 19th century. Centuries. Took place during the 18th and 19th century. Okay. So that is the answer of that. I'm sorry for my mistake. Industrial revolution took place during 18th and 19th centuries. Okay, let's move to the question number 5. Okay. So what happened when the police attacked the workers? When the workers were attacked, one was killed and 5 or 6 workers were wounded seriously. Okay, so I did 5 answers for you. I think you have understood the text. So let's move to the next part of my session. I'm gonna give you homework. Okay, let me wipe it up. Let me wipe it up. Okay. Thank you for your attention. So, page homework. Okay. Homework. Okay. So, page number 23, question number C. Okay. There's a fill in the blanks. Fill in the gaps. Okay. Gaps. So do it of your own, and you have to write the text and answer at the same time. Just do not write the answer. Yes, you will write the answer only when you are sitting for the exam, but as a homework you have to do, you have to write the whole text with the answer. Okay, and this is a right forms of verb, and so be careful about the tense and the subject. Okay, so my dear students, thank you very much for paying attention to the class. I think you will obtain benefit from this class. So so I request you to stay at home and if it is emergency, if it is very necessary, you have to go out. If you need that, you have to go out. Surely, obviously, you put on a mask. Okay. So have a good day. This is Saiful Alam once again, saying you goodbye. So, assalamu alaikum. Have a good day. Bye for now.